Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this gorgeous rotisserie restored 1969 Dodge Coronet RT. Pretty famous car. I'm going to let the description and the video and photos speak for themselves. It is a Hemi car. It is an automatic. And it's totally rotisserie restored. Check this car out. Let's just do a little walk around. This die-cast was produced, okay, after this particular vehicle. Actually, this same identical vehicle. And here's all the information right there, okay? So this car was produced, this model was produced after this actual car, okay? There's a lot of documentation that we can have a discussion over the phone would be best. Let's check out the interior really quick. Wait till you guys see the underside of this thing. You can eat off of it. Look how crisp this restoration was done. "7 years, what I was told, to restore it in this condition. Ever since the restoration, 294 miles. It's pristine in every possible way. And guys, everything functions on it. Let's fire it up. I want you guys to hear it. And then we're going to go for a little test drive. Very cool. Look how crisp the lenses are. Two sets of keys. One second. All right, here we go. Once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, people. I'm telling you, in the business for over 30 years, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Everything's body color underneath. Let's go. And everything functions on the car. Let me mount this up. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm getting there. Here we go. All right. This thing handles like a brand new car. I drive 1 muscle car a day, 2 muscle cars per day. I do these reports and inspections videos once to twice a day. This thing is a dream. It's a gift to own it. Transmission shifts excellent. Hemi, baby. Automatic. Brand new spanking interior. Every nut and bolt has been changed and restored, refurbished, reconditioned, whatever word you want to use that goes with the word excellent, you can, because that's what this is. Excellent. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. If you're looking for financing on the car, not a problem. If your credit score is between, for this car actually, 650 to 749, you'll need 10% down. Rates are between 5 and 7% with no prepayment penalty. You can fill out that application at mgmclassiccars.com. If your credit score is 740 or higher, there's a no money down option. Rates start at 2.5% with no prepayment penalty. You can go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. I'm going to get the car up on the lift right now, and I want to videotape underneath as well. So bear with me here. We're going to get on this lift together. I will get out, and then I will raise the car up, and I really want you guys to see underneath the car. All right, here we go. All right, let's check this out. We're gonna do this together. We do service all of our vehicles here, as you can see, to keep all of our customers happy and also to know what they're buying. 90% of our sales are done over the internet, so we try to be as transparent as we can. So we'll get this car up on the lift here, as you can see, real time. And I want to look at underneath the car with you. This is a piece of artwork with lots of documentation, and I would really like for you guys to see the quality. This thing really deserves it. Everything's been restored. Meticulous restoration. Body color underneath here. And then obviously, you know, the frame. And then it goes into the floor pans, which are like new. Look at this. Dynamax setup, big Dana in the back, multi-leafs, gas tank chromed out, dual exhaust with the chrome tips. There you have it, folks. 69 Dodge Coronet RT here at mgmclassiccars.com. Take advantage of our driveway delivery. We will need your zip code for a quote. And I would highly request when you're texting me a quote for enclosed carrier only due to the quality of this Coronet. If for those of you who do not text, you can call me and leave a message if I do not pick up. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks again for watching MGMClassicCars.com.